what I want to see next from Grenada. I want to see some big body girl in one video at work. We need to see that. We need a girl song now. You see me? We get the blade, we get the gun. You see me? I say, if there is well, me not talk soca. Not talking soca. You see me? I talk dancehall, girl song, girl with the big body I go on bad. Yeah. You see me? So the man them and the X team. So what's up YouTube, it's your boy Terry Vlogs aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back in to put another video for you guys. What's up Grenada? Right now I have a song called Butterfly by Brighta Star official music video. Y'all ready for this? We see females in the people. And in the last video directed from Brighta Star, you know, I think it was a feature. What song again? I think I can't find it right there. So you did a feature with someone. I don't remember the person name, but bad song. But I specifically said I need to see some girls now. And like the video, subscribe. Let's see what's happening. Just some fire emoji. Let's go.
Yo, no open up your leg, free the butterfly. Lend them a girl, every girl of mine. Brightest.
I didn't know so them bad them way. I didn't know so them bad them way. I didn't know. This song just started, but me and the video. I see what I want to see. Hold on. Grabbings, alright. Grabbings, okay. Yeah.
Open up your leg, free the butterfly.
Hey.
Lend them a girl, every girl of mine.
What?
Brightest star way ever shine. Speak this rhyme, left your brain cell paralyzed.
He lend them a girl because every girl a female one. Go on.
Wind up, people stand up. Balance on your head, keep your hands up. Climb on the ladder with your leg open. Your friend want fuck when she find me. Whole arena short and want me kill her with some fun. She ball out feed the lad like if a rifleman a rifleman a boss. Take fuck. Bad man you want y'all back it up.
Hey.
Take fuck.
Oh no, he's damaging. There goes the magic fingers again. That's how we're going to start calling these pause hands, but we're also going to start calling this the magic finger, people. Because I'm always pausing the video at some place with some magic happening in the video. That is magic right there. That's a magic trick, you know? Magic. That's a magic trick. But he's working it. Go! Hey, that's how you're going to blow up, you know? That's how you're going to blow up. Go on.
Take it from girl in a difficult pose, but I rub with the whole champagne.
Hold on, pause. Hi, we matching now. We twinning, girl. We twinning. Go.
The rules. Gunman up in your soul, girl. Tip on your toe, make me send it in a hole. One touch give her 10,000 O, cause some pussy no sell out like Drake album. If me not get the pussy, me temper go tantrum. After me stretch it, no left it a one.
There goes the magic fingers again, but that's not what I'm looking at. Well, we go back right here real quick. Go back, look of it.
Like Drake album.
That's where we're gonna look at right there. Okay. Guys, rate her 1 through 10. She lit. 1 through 10. She lit. She got a strong 8. She lit. Go though.
Me not get the pussy, me temper go tantrum. After me stretch it, no left it a one. Whole arena short and want me kill her with some fun. She ball out feed the lad like if a rifleman a rifleman a boss. Take fuck. Bad man you want y'all back it up. Take fuck. She want me kill her with the fuck nah.
You cannot tell me you didn't enjoy recording this video, Mr. Brighta Star. You cannot tell me you did not enjoy making this video, Mr. Brighta Star.
Pop the pussy when me force it in a hand. Kill her with the fuck, yeah. Pantyless titty stiff in a bra. She want me kill her with the fuck, nah. Come pop the pussy when me force it in a hand. Kill her with the fuck, yeah. Pantyless titty stiff in a bra. Open Wind up your leg, pretty butterfly. Lend them a gal, every gal a mine. Brightest star where ever shine. Speak this rhyme, left your brain cell paralyzed. Wind up, people stand up. Balance on your head, keep your hands up. Climb on the ladder with your leg open. Your friend want fuck when she find me. Whole arena short and want me kill her with some fun.
Pause. What are your thoughts on the song, people? In man, people, when my first ever Grenada video, I some cutlass thing, you know. I watch it, dog. I like it, but love it a lot, people. I want to share the hell out of that video. Go over Brighta Star channel right now. Link to the original video is going to be down below in the description. Go run it up right now. Go drop some fire emoji. Drop some peach emojis. You see me, I say, drop some flag, just comment everything. Just interact with the video so the video get recommends to more people. Go like up the video, people. Go like up the video. Click the link, like up the reaction too. You understand me? Make both of them go global. That's on your people. Yeah, man, I hate this one. I hate this bad, but that's even a lie too, man. I hate this Brighta Star. I hate this dog. I hate this.
All out feed the lad like if a rifleman a rifleman a boss. Take fuck. Bad man, you want y'all back it up. Hey. Take fuck. She want me kill her with the fuck nah. Thump up the pussy when me pussy it in her kill her with the fuck yeah. Pantyless titty stitch in her bra. She want me kill her with the fuck nah. Thump up the pussy when me pussy it in her kill her with the fuck yeah. Pantyless titty stitch in her bra.
Bad, madam bad. All me have to tell you, just remember, this is Grenada. Say if I go share it to somebody, put the Grenada flag beside it. If I tell a friend about it, put the Grenada flag beside it. You see me, I say Brighta Star. Big up yourself, bro. Got it. All YouTube, big up on yourself. Thank you for supporting the boy Terry Blast, aka the reaction boss. Still no another one, but please, go share that song, yeah. Go stream it everywhere. Tell a friend, everybody. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram at Terry Vlogs. You see me, I say, yeah, man. That's it, you know that, bro.